Hi, this is Tim Sanchez with ABIS Consulting Group. In this video, we're going to take a look at document imaging and the accounts payable entry process. To start off, I'm going to go to the accounts payable menu and I'm going to pull up my voucher list. This screen is going to show me all of the AP invoices that have been scanned into the system. Adjutant automatically finds these by looking for them in a designated folder on the network. It shows you the voucher numbers on the left-hand side and shows you an image of whatever voucher you have selected. You can also zoom in. You can print a copy if you needed a copy. You can rotate the document if it was scanned in incorrectly, and you can scroll through the different pages. For the purposes of this demo, I'm going to create the AP invoice by clicking the button. That pulls up the AP Invoice Master. And in this example, I'm simply going to type in a purchase order number that I had for this invoice. The system is going to bring up the vendor info for me based upon the PO number. And I only have to type in the invoice number, date, a posting date, the invoice amount. If I had a reference number that I wanted to type in, I could do that. The payment priority and payment terms have automatically been brought in by the purchase order number or by the vendor account. Now the system's going to move me to the Purchase Order Receipt tab because I had entered a PO. And it's going to show me all of the line items that have been received but not invoiced. I select which lines I'm being invoiced for. And at the bottom, it'll tell me the amount of the AP invoice. It'll tell the amount of the lines that I've selected, and it'll show me any purchase variance. In this case, that's 0. On the GL Distribution tab, I have a balancing entry for my purchase variance, which again is 0. Any dollar amount that varies from the PO receipt lines will show up there, and then you can either leave it in purchase variance and change it later, or you can add a new distribution entry right now. When you're done with GL Distributions, click the Save button. The AP invoice was saved, the balance on the bottom right-hand side there, and the voucher image has been brought over to the new AP invoice. Any approvals that have been set up for this vendor have automatically been sent out, and the person approving can view the GL distributions, the PO receipts, and the actual image of the AP invoice. That was a quick look of document imaging and the accounts payable process. You can find out more about Adjutant Enterprise Software at abiscorp.com, or you can always contact us directly, 713-680-2247.